time to eat.
It's time to feed the birds, and here come the cardinals. See them? They're calling to each other to let everybody know it's time to eat. We have several places. At night, we only put bird food out in tall places because they're the nighttime visitors. We love them, but they leave a mess that we don't appreciate. Oh, there's a chickadee, honey. Don't usually see the chickadees so soon. Where are the cardinals? Whoops, I'm tripping over stuff.
They're waiting patiently.
Oh, are they down there waiting? Yes, I see them flying around. There's one over there.
Some of them are probably going to show up.
See, there's one waiting. Let's see if I can spy another one that's waiting. I hear them.
That was a person.
Oh, we have some music in the background.
Yeah.
I hope it doesn't get rejected. Well, we didn't see much bird action. Do you have any thing to say about that? Oh, here it comes. Here they come.
Well, the birds and the fish were blessed. And finally, when he created the first man and woman, he blessed them. So the birds, fish, and the people have a blessing from Yahuwah that has extended all the way from creation week. Because when he blesses something, there's nobody that's going to remove that blessing.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Well, there's our mated pair. Okay, on that note, I'm going to let you go. Remember to subscribe, like and subscribe.
Hit the subscription bell when we put out new videos. Don't forget.
All right. Oh, here comes the cardinals now. We love you. Hallelujah.
Bye for now.